Sure, sure. Yeah, already. So you
No, no, don't pick it up. You just kind of video.
betul tamari.
Like a pygmy one. And she character normally is funny elephant, yeah, playful. But she have injury with her leg. Front left, yeah, still walk not properly, but we healing her. Now she getting better. And Bo, second rescue after her 1 month. Yeah, so Bo very calm, very sweet lady, and most healthy one. Bo is the most healthy one in our camp. Yeah, behind. And Thong Lo, the last rescue. So she very wise and mostly elegant. Yeah. When she come, she say I'm the boss here. So she's the last one coming, but very wise. In her eye too, different than the other. And very respect, you know. Okay, now we're gonna move to our cooking in Tom Yam soup. Our coriander. And smell. We use also for the bug spray. But also we use for cooking, like a Tom Yam soup also.